God bless you, a lot of blessing from the hurricane come. You've been coming here and doing things so people reach out to your community. Enough blessings because now may God continue to bless you in every way, in every aspect of life.
Jamaica family, how you do? Awesome. Today I'm actually heading back to the hills of Left Hall in Beeston Spring, Westmoreland. The first time I went there, it was total devastation. Total devastation. You would have probably seen the video. I made subsequent trips, bringing relief items, food, clothing, zinc sheets, plywood, and so on, lanterns, and so on. And I want to call out. I want to salute some persons who partnered with me to make it happen. They know themselves, but I want to call out a few of them now. Dr. Judith Johnson, Elise, Owen, my brother, the family in Manchester, my sisters, family, uncle, Andy, and so on. Just a lot of persons who came, partnered with me to make it happen. And I want to salute. I want to salute you now. Today is different though. A little bit emotional for me, just like the first time, because we're bringing identity. If you recall the last video I did, I brought in another set of partners, RGD, passport people, JPs, people partnered with me to help them to do the application. Today I'm bringing back some of those birth certificates. Thanks again to Ms. Clark and the people at RGD Montego Bay. They have been awesome. We're bringing back their birth certificates. But I'm also bringing more plywood, more zinc sheets, and more food stuff. Thanks to persons like Shelly B and Miss Primrose as well. And you know, all of those persons who just came on board to make it happen. I want to salute them again. Thank you. And how can I forget you? You guys, the viewers, the persons who watched and share my videos. You made a tremendous difference, because you know what? You know what you did? Since we started showing Left Hall, a lot of people didn't know where Left Hall is. A lot of people didn't know where Beeston Spring is, that it was even on the map. But you have been reading, you have been sharing those videos, and now because of your engagement, we have seen a lot more attention coming to the community. Last week, I understand, JPS came, they had a fair, and they brought other agencies with them as well, and they promised people, they made pledges to do people houses. They haven't had any electricity back at it, by the way. It's almost 5 months, but they made the promise that by the end of the next 2 months or so, they should be getting their electricity. So I just want to thank you guys again for your engagement, your commenting, your sharing the videos, so persons actually get to know about the plight of people in Beeston Spring in Left Hall. This is important to me, and I thank you. I want you to stay with me though, because I want you to share the moments with you. The moment I'm going to be handing these people their stuff, not just the food stuff, but their identity. Stay with me. So you guys are in the community now. I'm going to make my first stop just around the corner here, and deliver a few of these items. Alright, so I'll give one a water. Yeah, one of the first. You want water?
Yeah, man.
Shelly B, Miss Primrose. Big you up with that, yeah?
Yes.
And we have the rest of stuff for you, yeah?
Yeah, man. Respect our man.
Alright, my brother.
Yes.
I'm going to give you one of the water bags too.
Yeah.
Pour water in there, yeah? Yeah, Ruby, I love you for a joke, so we just put it in a drum. We don't have a lot, but we just try and make something. Alright? Shirt and a there.
What's your shirt on you like that?
U-turn.
The boat. U-turn. In the big kind of order.
No white, no white. Run the white. Cool it. Alright. 2 for cooling. Alright. Kadisha, I'd promise cooling 2. Make sure I bring back our. Actually, I had 3 minutes to go bring. But we see situation now, the 2 she can't get. Alright. And while the distribution is going on, I'm just gonna pull away for a second to recognize and appreciate, and I want you to help me do that too. I want you to do that for me as well. I want to recognize and appreciate two persons, two of my church sisters here back in Montego Bay. Sister Barbara, Sister Davis. They have, they know the work, the initiative that we have going on, and they've been, always praying and helping in tangible ways. This, for example, is from Sister Davis. They gave me this little envelope in December. I opened it, and well, it says Merry Christmas first, and then she said, may your Christmas holiday, all the days that follow, be filled with warmth. Psalms 46 to you, Sister Davis. And she put a little note in there, right? It's $4,000 toward the initiative in Westmoreland. And she actually said, Brother Gail's charity. It's not a lot by some standards, but she gave from her heart. There is Sister Barbara. Sister Barbara gave this to me, a close friend of mine. She said contribution for the West. She gave me $2,000. Again, not a lot by most people's standard, but this came from their heart. I want you to help me to big them up as well for their love and their support and their prayers. God bless you, my sisters. These are some
Water bottle.
water bags.
Okay.
So I can give each of you two of them. You can bring them to spring. So two. Take two cups.
Okay. Thank you. Come Marcia, come now.
Marcia, take. Yeah. 5 cups.
Take it. Yeah. Don't give no.
What do you want?
Oh, this you want?
Oh, so this is, alright, so there's a lady called a friend of mine, Shelly B. And her mom is Primrose. Give me some of these stuff.
No, because him asked for it, somebody could go take it and give it because that's problem.
Give your sister.
You're not bad man. Thank you. No thanks.
You don't want to hey, what? That's what you're doing. Back up there. Back up. Yeah, back up. So I have some. On New Year's Day we went and we brought some agencies in to help get persons get their birth certificate, and we got them back. So I have a few of them. I'm just gonna search through and see who we have here. See, the niece, Aggie, Miss Aggie. Risa Jamison, who is that? Miss Chin, God. Come Chino. Come on,
Okay. Alright.
Come in, big money in your pocket, yeah.
Big up my cousin. Every time. God bless you, a lot of blessing. From the hurricane come, you've been coming here and doing things so people reach out to your community. Enough blessings because now may God continue to bless you in every way, in every aspect of life. Love you, cousin.
Thank you. To God be all the glory. Alright, so this is it. This is the birth certificate for Camille Jeffrey. So you have your identity again, man. Come on, take a picture with me, man.
You're legal.
Thank you, cousin.
Alright, blessings. I have some more here. I think the rest of them. Oh, Brianna.
Yes.
Yeah, Brianna.
And Patrick Samuel.
This is Brianna. Her birth certificate, guys.
Brianna is legal again.
Legal again.
I think the rest of them is up the hill. I see a number of people up here. O'Neil Morales. Who them? Jardine Sutherland. Mr. Leroy Pinnock. Rochelle Smith. Brittany Smith. I want to say Lenicia Patrick. Sasha Pinnock. Richard Smith. Okay. Aggie Freeburn. I don't know if I'm going to say Miss Aggie.
Yeah, let me Miss Aggie down shady go.
Yeah. Okay. Miss Aggie, you heard me asking about. She's one of the older persons in the community now, and she was one of them that was devastated by the hurricane. You probably would have seen her in one of the videos. In fact, the video that I did with where I had the support groups there, they're doing passport applications, birth certificates, and blood pressure and so on. You probably would have seen her in that video. But I really wanted to speak to her because she had a most chilling experience. I understand, and you know what? I'm gonna just leave it until I get a chance to talk, speak with her. But she was totally traumatized because of the hurricane. She's actually living her. She lost her house. I'm extremely happy to be able to bring down her birth certificate because she lost everything, and it affected her mental state. But also I understand people from the Ministry of Labour came into the community and were recording names of persons who need assistance and so on. I think they wanted to do some house grants or some sort of housing benefit, but she was not able to be registered. That's the information I got, because basically she has no identity. She didn't have any of her records, no ID, no birth certificate, nothing. And while we can argue there should be a way around it, it is what it is. And so she was not able to be registered for any benefit. So I'm truly happy that I was able to bring her birth certificate. So now she can apply for her TRN number, and then start the process. What a blessing. Alright guys, so I just left what we call Mars Corner, and we made some drop off there. We're going up to we're going up to what they call Darkest Corner now. I suppose it's Darkest, but we say Darkest Corner. Right? I'm heading up. So that was the third stop. I think I might have 1 or 2 more stops along the way. But again, it depends on where we meet the people or where the people meet us. So I'm heading up. But as you can see, it's a lot, and the demand is still great. But we give thanks. Yeah. Alright, so we are officially, guys, up at the top of Left Hall now, and I have to make another dispatch. Let's see how it goes. The need is great, but remember, we also have the birth certificates that we're going to be handing out. So let's see how it goes. I got that. This one. Alright, so we have the additional birth certificates that we're going to be distributing. Most of them, I think, will be here at this location. I want to try and find the rest here. So this is Monica Iba. So she's going to collect for her mommy at the free bird. I wanted to give her I wanted to give her myself, but she'll tell her my love and support. So that's Miss Aggie Freeburn. Yeah man, big her up for me. These are the birth certificate we did on New Year's Day. The RGD gave me them back to deliver. Lenicia Patrick, Risa Jemison, Sasha Patrick. I don't know them. Are you a Sasha? A Richie daughter? Oh, that's right, Sasha. Are you connected from her? Oh, okay, I remember you. Okay, alright. Damian Tomlinson, Richardson. Who is Richardson? Oh, what's that? A goalie. Alright, goalie guy. The goalie having birth certificate. Alright, cool. Carl, my brother. Yeah, man, bless up. Big up Carl, man.
Alright, Carl.
Y'all have the identity.
Ready up power.
Patrick Samuel.
Buddy.
Zenrai Patrick. Kevin Green. Kevin Green.
Patrick Samuels in it.
Oh, Hedrick.
Come here, the spotlight, Patrick.
Yeah.
Kevin, that's a Gasnell grandson.
Yeah, okay.
Patrick
Patrick Samuel, Hedrick.
Yeah.
Get him ID again. Big up. Yeah. Risa Jemison. That's your name.
Come in.
Wow, a lot of new names here. You know. Bless it. Alright. Yeah, man, that's it for the birth certificates. Guys, there are a few of them we still have pending. So when those come, I'll just give it to you individually. I have a few sheet apply that we have left because we stopped about 4 stop already. We try to split it as much as possible. I know everybody would want as much as we can, but it's almost impossible. We try our best. So we stop down at Spring Lesser, we stop at Shady Grove, we stop at Maracana, and this is the other stop. So we have to try to see. I know the need is great in the community, but we try our best to see how best we can balance to make everybody get a touch, right? Yeah, so that is where we are. So I have a few left for some persons who never get the last time and who had promised as well. I have some more drums to get. Probably the next iteration we get some more drums for some people. Some drums. If you still need drums, you probably can just let me know. And we try and see if we can get the drum. But I have some pledges already that I make for some people that I really want to give them. I have some tokens, so I have some additional bags in the back in the car. Some items. I'll get some, I've been doing some hunting, so I get some help from some persons. I want to big up Dr. Judith Johnson, I want to big up Owen, I want to big up Shelly B and her mother, Miss Primrose. Those persons really come on board and really help to make a difference. A bunch of persons, when I make the appeal and raise my hand, some people jump in. So I have some grocery items in the car there that I want to give. I have some toiletries, some sanitary stuff, some diapers, some adult diapers as well. So we're going to see how best we can stretch it, right? And try to touch as much families as possible. So everybody in a family may not get something, but we're going to try to see if we can touch as much as possible. Alright? Bless you. By now you would have seen much to get an idea of the state of the community. I'd love to hear what you think. Let me know. Drop it in the comments, please. Thanks. We're now distributing the groceries and toiletries. As you can see, a lot of persons have converged. This is actually, at this point, we would have made 2 stops. So this would be the 3rd official stop. But as you can see, a number of persons converged here. I think the message went out that we're on our way, and so people kind of just make their way up here. And that's understandable because you know what? Although the community is getting some attention now, because I understand again that JPS were here last week with a fair, and the Ministry of Labour has made some pledges to help with, with them getting back some their house and so on together. They made some grants apparently. The truth is that any support they were getting in terms of relief items, food and so on has pretty much dried up. It's 5 months after the hurricane now, and they're pretty much the same place they were. The houses are still not up yet, but again, I'm still hopeful. We bought some clothing items as well, and this one was a little bit tricky because unlike the grocery items, we were able to pack them. The clothes was a little bit tricky because you have male, female, you have kids, you have adults, and you have different sizes as well. So we basically brought the bags and I put it to the community and they said, you know what, just throw them out, just put them out on on the board, and we'll figure it out. So that's what is happening here. Put it on the board, and then people can select what they want. As you can imagine, first come, first serve, huh? Yeah, the need is great here, man. The need is still great, my friend. Can't ever overstate the support and partnership of those individuals who helped to make this happen. And in terms of the clothes here, I big up Miss Primrose and her daughter and my church family. They have been instrumental, and they hope Renee and their foundation as well. I think they have a foundation as well that they were able to channel some of these stuff from to us to make it happen. So I want to salute them as well for helping to make this possible. You know, I never hesitate to recognize and appreciate the partnership and the support of the persons who help to make this trip possible. But you are no less. You continue to not only watch my videos, but you continue to share them. And again, that is what, in my estimation, really helped the community, to get the attention that they truly deserve. So please, continue to share it, man. Yes, go ahead and share it, so they continue to get the attention that they really need. The sun is setting, guys, and I'm getting ready to head out of here, but you saw it all, you saw everything. The need is still great. They've gotten some pledges, some promises from the different agencies, but nothing has actually materialized yet. But I'm hopeful, and that's what we brought from beginning, from the devastation in the beginning. I promised hope, we brought hope, and I feel gratified, and I'm hopeful for the community. You know, if you are willing to and you're inclined to help, I'm gonna say that chapter is finished, because we came and saw the devastation. I promised that we we're gonna do something about it. More importantly, I trumpeted the word, the need. You who are online help me to spread the word by sharing the videos and so on, and there is some attention now. The agencies are coming in, making promises, making pledges, but it's just to materialize. So I'm hopeful. If you are led though to do something, reach out to me. 876-825-2237 on WhatsApp, or My-Island-Jamaica.com, or the GoFundMe page. It's in the link in the description. If you want to feel led to do something, because the need is still here. And in fact, it's 5 months now after the hurricane, and they still don't have electricity. Again, they were promised electricity, I think in a couple of months. But as you can see, the need is still great on the ground. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for engaging. Thank you for your prayers and love above everything else. All right. I hope to see you